Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best iPhone 13 Pro lens is probably one of the most important components for photography enthusiasts, and replacing a damaged lens can be a cost-effective solution compared to buying a new phone. This video will guide you through the process of replacing your iPhone 13 Pro camera lens, covering everything from selecting the right replacement parts to the step-by-step repair procedure. We'll also explore some common issues and troubleshooting tips to ensure a successful repair. Number 5. GVKVGIH iPhone 13 Pro Camera Lens. Are blurry photos ruining your memories? Don't worry, we have the solution. This premium lens is an OEM-grade replacement, ensuring perfect quality and a flawless fit for your iPhone 13 Pro or 13 Pro Max. Our kit includes all the tools and pre-installed adhesive you'll need for a quick and easy repair. Just follow our simple instructions. Repairing it yourself is far more affordable than going to a repair shop. You'll save at least $50. We're so confident in our product that we offer a 12-month warranty. Get your crisp, clear photos back. Please remember that this replacement only includes the camera lens glass, not the camera frame. Double-check your needs before purchasing. What we like. It comes with everything you need for a smooth repair. The adhesive is already applied, saving you time and effort. If you value convenience and a straightforward fix, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Broke one lens on our iPhone 13 Pro. Not a problem. This kit fixed it in about 3 minutes and works just like factory. You cannot tell the repair was even made. Follow the instructions and it's an easy job and gets your camera back to working order. Had a lens crack. Want to hold out until next year for the new iPhone, so needed something to hold us over. This did it and was easy to install. Just make sure you get the old lens cleaned well before installing the new one. Number 4. iPhone 13 Pro Max Camera Lens. Are blurry photos frustrating you? A cracked camera lens on your iPhone 13 Pro or Pro Max can easily be fixed. Let's see how. This high-quality replacement lens is waterproof and scratch-resistant, ensuring your photos stay crisp and clear. It comes with all the tools you need for a seamless replacement. No need for messy glue, it includes pre-applied adhesive for easy installation. Repairing it yourself saves you at least $50 compared to professional repair shops. Plus, enjoy the satisfaction of a DIY project. This replacement lens is only compatible with iPhone 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max models. The camera frame is not included, so please double-check before ordering. Get back to capturing stunning memories with this simple and affordable solution. Say goodbye to blurry pictures. What we like. This lens boasts superior protection against the elements and daily wear and tear. It ensures your photos stay crisp and clear. If you prioritize durability and long-lasting performance, this is the one for you. What people say. Came with all the tools and pieces needed except for instructions, so if you've never done it before you just have to search online, but other than that it did the job well. Fit exactly as it should for a iPhone 13 Max. Super easy to install. Apply. Number 3. iPhone 13 Pro Max Camera Lens Kit. Say goodbye to cracked camera lenses. This kit makes repairing your iPhone 13 Pro or Pro Max easy and affordable. You get 2 complete sets of replacement lenses, pre-installed adhesive, repair tools, and easy-to-follow instructions. Everything you need for a perfect repair. It uses original sapphire glass for crystal clear photos and videos. It's designed to perfectly match your iPhone's camera. The step-by-step guide and professional tools make the repair process simple, even for beginners. You'll have your camera working perfectly in no time. The pre-installed adhesive and extra B7000 glue ensure your new lens stays securely in place. No more worries about it falling off. We stand behind our product with a 365-day warranty. If you have any issues, we're here to help. What we like. Get 2 complete replacement sets for the price of one. It's a great value, and the extended warranty provides extra peace of mind. If you want a budget-friendly option with backup, this is the best option for you. What people say. It had everything I needed, plus 2 sets of lenses. The lens already had adhesive, and fit super perfectly. Instructions were very clear, kit came with everything you could possibly need and the supplies were quality. Number 2. iPhone 13 Pro Max Camera Lens Kit. This kit provides a superior replacement for your damaged camera lens. It's designed for easy installation and comes with everything you need. It's not just any glass, it's the same high-quality sapphire material found in the original iPhone camera. Enjoy crystal clear photos once more. This kit is specifically designed for the iPhone 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max models. Ensure you have the correct model before ordering. A detailed manual and professional repair toolkit are included to guide you through the replacement process. It's easier than you think. The adhesive is already applied, and extra B7000 glue is included to guarantee your new lens stays securely in place. No more worries about it falling off. We stand behind our product. Enjoy peace of mind with our 365-day warranty. Contact us if you have any questions or concerns. What we like. It offers genuine quality at a competitive price. 3 lenses give you multiple chances to get it right. If you want the best quality in multiple attempts, this is the one for you. What people say. This was a lifesaver. I thought my camera lens was cracked, but after buying this kit, I found it was only the cover cracked. I replaced with this and saved big bucks from having to take it to a repair store. So easy to use. This glass replacement kit came with everything needed and was super easy. The removal of the old lens was very straightforward and I was able to do without issue. Number 1. iPhone 13 Pro Max Camera Lens. This is an original equipment manufacturer replacement camera lens for your iPhone 13 Pro or Pro Max. It's designed for a perfect fit and easy installation. The package includes 3 new camera lenses, ensuring you have spares on hand. This is a great value for your repair needs. The adhesive is already applied to the back of each lens, making installation a breeze. No need for extra steps or materials. We've included everything you need for the repair, including detailed instructions and professional tools. This saves you time and money. This replacement lens is perfect for fixing scratched or broken camera lenses. It will make your phone camera look brand new again. We stand behind our product with a 365-day warranty. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact us for a quick resolution. What we like. It uses original equipment manufacturer parts for a perfect fit. The pre-installed adhesive and included tools make installation a breeze. If you prefer a seamless and easy installation process, this is the option for you. What people say. The install was somewhat tedious, mostly because you need to clean all of the existing broken glass from the phone, nothing you can do about that. But with care, I was able to get the existing glass cleanly removed, and the replacement installed. I used this to fix my back camera and it was a great fit and easy to use. Genuinely thought I was going to have to pay hundreds of dollars to buy a new phone or camera. I got this thinking it wouldn't work, 4 weeks later and the lens is still intact. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.